Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to record audio. So first I go to audio and then I just say something like to space. And when that's done recording, I press done. And then after that, I'm going to add sound effects. So I go to the next scene where he flies. Then I'm going to click on the plus button, go to audio. And then for this, I'm going to use Jet Flyby because I feel it would be best for this. And now it should sound like this. To space! And that is how you add voice and sound effects. Thank you for watching.